Andrew. With me in the studio is Engineer Temple from Nec-computers. Good morning to you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Andrew. Thank you, Nigerians.
Of course, when you hear his voice and you hear Nec-computers, you know what that means. Here to tell us how your kids, loved ones, neighbors, friends, and everyone around you can learn a skill that can put food on their table and help them care for their families. So I'll just let you start with the introduction and structure of the training you have at Nec-computers.
Thank you very much, Mr. Andrew. Nec-computers offer quality and comprehensive computer training. Our training cut across industries and education curriculum. So if you are an individual, if you are a corporate bodies, we train you on Nec-computers. Even if you have no knowledge on computers at all. So from beginners level, intermediate level to advanced level, we handle that in Nec-computers. And our training are divided into 7 different departments. The first department we have in Nec-computers is the desktop publication and graphic design department, where we train people on basic computers, Microsoft Office Suite, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, Secretarial Studies, Photoshop, and Internet. The second department we have in Nec-computers is the computer aided design department, where we train people on AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, Revit Architecture, Inventor, 3D Max, StarPro, Orion, and Civil 3D. The third department we have in Nec-computers is the networking department. We train people on Network M+, CCNA, CCMP, CCTV installation training, Commercial A+, software, Commercial A+, computer hardware and software repair maintenance. We have cyber security here in the third department. Then in the second department, we also do structural analysis and design using StarPro, Orion, and Civil 3D. Then the fourth department we have in Nec-computers is the project management department, where I'm going to talk about today. We have the Primavera pieces, we have the Microsoft project, we have the SAP Prince 2, we have electrical design and drafting and installation. We have the budgeting and quantification in this department. Then the fifth department we have in Nec-computers is actually the programming department, where we train people on Microsoft Visual Basic, C#, C++, VB.NET, Python, Java, MATLAB, Simulink, and Simscape. PLC, that's programmable logic controller. Then we have the development here, where we do software development, we do web design, we have Android application development, cloud computing, UI, UX, machine learning, and data structure. Then we have the sixth department. Here we train people on data analysis and coding. We have data analysis and accounting. We have the analytics and science, data science and data analytics. We have the advanced Excel and access. We have the e-views, SPSS, QuickBooks, Sage, P3, and QuickBook. Then the last and not the least department is the oil and gas department, where we train people on PDM, that plant design management system, Aspen analysis, process piping, P and ID, that is piping instrument diagram and pipe flow diagram. These are the structure of our training in Nec-computers.
Sounds very interesting. You mentioned the project management. So what is exactly project management?
Okay, project management involves physical knowledge. It involves applying knowledges, skills, tools, and techniques to ensure projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the required standard. So the aim is to make sure that projects are completed on time, within the budget, and on a required standard. So you use some knowledge and skills to make sure that projects are completed within timely manner, in an appropriate quality that was designed, and within the budget. And the project management we do in Nec-computers also involve time management, because projects are based on time. So we do time management here. We do risk management. Project involve risks. So we do risk management. The aim of the risk management is to reduce every risk encountered in the project to as low as reasonably practicable. Then we do human resource management, because every project is carried out by human being, by resources. We have the human resources, we have the material resources, we have the consumables. So we teach you all that in Nec-computers. Then we have the procurement, the procurement management. So we do procurement management, we do scope management, we do project integration management, how to integrate every part of the project together to work as one. We do it in Nec-computers. Then we do cost management, because projects are managed by cost. You have to spend when you're doing the project, so we do cost management effectively in Nec-computers. We do quality management and product management. Many people confuse project management and product management. People have been asking me that question. What do you mean between project management and product management? Project management has to do with how to bring the project out, how to complete the project on the timely manner within budget. And when the project is completed, the work of a project manager ends there. But product management has to do with managing the market strategy of the project, how to increase the value of the project. Taking a phone, for instance, to manufacture the phone, right from the process of conception all through the industrial process, and making sure that the phone come out of the industry. Project manager is concerned with that. But how to use the phone effectively, how to sell the phone, how to manage the phone day-to-day management of the phone to make sure that you use it effectively. You don't like to spoil, you don't like to hit on the ground or put it in the water. Those are product management, because the phone is the product of the project. So how do you manage the phone effectively so that you can have the maximum use of it is talked about by the product manager. So that's the difference between the project management and product management. One focuses on the project, how to bring it out, the product. Another one focuses on how to manage the product, use it effectively within the time, and do proper maintenance on it. That's the difference between them.
So at Nec-computers, what types of projects
Okay,
graduates?
in Nec-computers, we have the project we manage are based on two. One, the one based on scope and sizes. We have the small scale project. This involves limited number of tasks, resources, and personnel, often within a shorter duration. Then we have a medium scale project. This is more broader project compared to the small size project. Then we have the large project. This involves a significant number of tasks, resources, and personnel, often with a long time duration and with a larger budget. Then based on industry, we have the IT project. The IT project is about, we talk about on the IT project, we have the software development, infrastructure improvement, and IT related discipline. Now, last week I talked more extensively about software development. So in this place, the project manager uses all the IT skills. In the project development skills, we have the requirement gathering. After the requirement gathering, we have the project design, the design architecture. After design architecture, we have the coding. After coding, we have the deployment and testing, and we have the maintenance. The project manager ensures that all these phases are taken into consideration effectively. Then we have the construction project. But these people think that these are only projects. They think that construction project is only project. When we talk about project management, we talk about the aspect of building bridges, roads, and all that. This is aspect of project management that is being managed by the project construction manager. So we do this in Nec-computers. Then we have the business project. The business project encompasses various businesses initiatives, including launching new product, implementing new system, or improving existing process. Now, this is where project management cut across all the industries, all across the discipline, because every industry, every discipline are in business. Every business has the technical part as well as the business part. So the business part is the business part the project manager handles it. So when you talk of project manager being a business analyst, this is where they come and do their trading. So in Nec-computer, we handle all this effectively. So everybody can come and do project in Nec-computers. It doesn't matter your discipline. It doesn't matter your age and your location. You can come and do project in Nec-computers. Then we have the marketing project. The marketing project has to do with promoting product and services, sales promotion. When people write building plan finish, they put advertisement there. That means advertisement, one of the deliverables they want to use. So after doing your project, after doing your business, after analyzing your industry, after setting up your organization, the next thing to do is to promote this. People will know, because there's no way you can do something and set it up here and somebody in the other area will not know. You have to promote it. So people that handle sales promotions and advertisement are project managers. So project manager cut across all the industries and education curriculum. Then we have the final one, the academic project. This has to do with research. You do research to bring out a particular things. When you hear of amendment, they do constitutional amendment, they do project review, they do other things. That it is about research. So in Nec-computers, our training are connected. So if you do data science, you make sure that you collect data. So after collecting data, after studying the data will now prompt you for a project. Because after studying the data now, you now see the need to improve. That improvement will call for a new project. And for a software developer, the software developer will now be used to design the project. For example, now somebody that is in the IT industry, you want to manage, you want to improve your work, you want to do other things, then you have to design a new software to acquaint for that. What you use to collect the data that will be used to the project design is data science. So that's how we collect all the data. Then the software engineer, the software development expert will now develop the project. Then the project manager will now manage all the process in the project. So our training are encompassing, all of them are connected together. So imagine somebody learn data science, you learn software development, you learn project manager. How will you lack a job? Nec-computers give you effective training because we have been positioned strategically to make life easy for everybody that come in contact with us. That is what we do in Nec-computers.
Because of the time, so just clarify for us project management and project methodologies.
Now, project management has to do with everything that is to manage a project, from project initiation to project planning. Planning is to put in a project plan into a specific format, to project execution, monitoring and control, and close out. That is the essence. That is what project manager is all about. That is what project manager is all about. But project methodology has to do with the specific text, the specific skill, the strategies, the approach, the method to manage the project. We have what we call Scrum and Agile project. These are the methodologies to use project management. So we have project management that has to do with focusing on the project to bring the project to a successful completion within budget. But the method, project management is a broader aspect, but project methodologies are specific aspect of project management. So the procedure to manage the project, the strategy, their
That's
approach.
what the methodology
That's what the
is.
project is all about.
Right.
Yeah. So
Let's
we
get
do
your
all of that in
contact
Nec-computers. We do it effectively in Nec-computers. So you can come to Nec-computers. We are located at number 14 Rumola Road, Honeymoon Plaza. Number 14 Rumola Road, Honeymoon Plaza, here in the state of Port Harcourt. Or you call our telephone number on 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932. We are on Facebook, we are on YouTube. Just type Nec-computers, or you visit our website on ntislgroup.com, ntislgroup.com, or you call 080 325 77932. 080 325 77932. Thank you very much. I'll see you next week.
All right. Enjoy your day, Engineer Temple from Nec-computers.
Thank you, Mr. Andrew. Thank you, Nigerians.
All right. Good morning.